welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a 10-minute tidy up. I'm just going to be taking you through what I have been doing lately just to try to stay on top of things. I don't have time to do like an all-day clean with me. It's the weekend and I typically try to do a lot of house projects on the weekend because my husband's here to help with the kids. So it's not going to be an all-day clean with me or like a major ultimate clean with me. I'm going to be taking 20 minutes to just go through and kind of pick up my house, put things away, vacuum, do the things that I need to do, but try to do it quickly. I like racing against that clock, doing that almost like a power hour, but kind of taking it in 20-minute increments and dividing it out through the day. So I have been doing this probably for the last week, doing 20 minutes like in the morning, after lunch, right before dinner, and after dinner, just trying to pick up. That way I have time to do the things that I enjoy or things that I need to do. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be me taking 20 minutes, setting the timer, cleaning up. Thank you. Cleaning up whatever I can, and it's going to be pretty much a 10-minute video probably for you guys, maybe a little bit longer. I know sometimes it is so hard to sit down and watch somebody's 30-minute cleaning video. So this is just going to be a short, quick, like speed clean. I might be doing a little bit of extreme cleaning, but it's going to be in my 20 minutes just doing what I need to do to stay afloat. So let's go ahead and pick up all this stuff. I have a lot of things that I want to kind of like dust off, sweep, clean, and Chloe's down for her quiet time. Emma's outside with her dad, and I have time to just do it really quickly without somebody running me up behind me undoing it.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight.
One thing that I'm trying to get better at is making my bed every day. I used to do this for years, all the time, and I just all of a sudden in the last probably 6 months have not really prioritized it at all. I know I said that word all jacked up, but I can't actually say that word very well. Get into any of the extreme cleaning I'm about to do in my kitchen, I wanted to share that today's video is a collab with one of my very first friends I ever met on YouTube about 3 years ago. Her name is Lauryn. She has 2 little boys. She lives in California. She just moved into this gorgeous home about probably 6 months ago, I think it's been, but I love watching her turn this house into a home and decorating it and just making it their own. She just started this brand new cleaning channel, and I would love if you guys would pop over, show her some support, tell her I said hi, subscribe to her channel. She makes really, really good cleaning content.
And relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you.
The main place that I really wanted to focus on in this 20 minutes that I set for myself was the kitchen area. Our bar top, that I guess that's what you want to call it, little breakfast nook, it literally always has stuff all over it. And actually this day it wasn't too bad, but this is like first thing in the morning. Everybody's outside right now, so I was trying to stay ahead of it in hopes that we could keep this kitchen clean throughout the day. And don't get me wrong, I could clean this kitchen and then later in the day it goes completely dirty again, but that's just how it is because it is literally the heart of our home. We're in this kitchen 24/7 and we're constantly making all of our meals, as probably most people are in this time of, you know, the world going on.
darker times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands.
When we moved into this house, it was not a brand new house by any means. It's probably, I think, 12 years old, and it's had many people live in it. They used to rent this house out before we bought it. So the stove is just has a lot of scratches and burnt on food that I have yet to been able to get off. But over the last few weeks, I have been using this Barkeeper's powder, and over time it does seem like it's making it look a lot better. And here, oh my gosh, my microwave has literally never been this bad, and we've just let it go. So what I love to do is I have this little angry lady that my mother-in-law got me. I fill it up with some vinegar, put it in there for about 5 minutes, and everything just falls right off. I highly suggest one.
Tonight, never to be said. Though I know I can't deny your eyes have got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. Don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo.
And before, I used to just use a bowl of vinegar and a water mix, but I understand you could just do it with a bowl instead of having the angry little lady, but it makes it fun for my kids because Emma loves to fill her up and help me get ready to clean the microwave, and I just like that. So it wasn't that expensive at all. Like I said, it was a gift, so I am so happy that we have one because it also involves my daughter, and she thinks it's hilarious to play with her.
Just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know. I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So you're probably wondering why this is draped on the dining room table, and that's because I am in the process of painting my kitchen ceiling. I started with the kitchen, and it's going to take me quite a while because it hurts my neck and my back so bad. So this is day 2, I think. That's why I actually have these clothes on, is my painting clothes, and I'm just doing it a little at a time and just to get it out of the way. But yeah, paint splatters everywhere, and I realized that, so I had covered my table because the last thing I wanted was white paint splattered all over the black chairs. Well, there you guys have it. I got the table cleared off for lunch, except for my work stuff, which I got to organize. I have pretty much all the countertops cleaned off. I was able to clean the stove, the microwave, which needed it so badly. And I just kind of straightened out here in the living room a little bit, like mainly the couch. This stuff is sitting here because some of it goes back into Chloe's room and she's in her room. And then I was able to make my bed, which I love doing. I try to do it every day, but obviously some days it does not happen. So I hope you guys like this video. I do tons of cleaning motivation, a lot of DIYs, home renovations. If you like that type of stuff, go check out some of my other videos. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I love to get to know you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.